Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a step-by-step tutorial on creating a stunning satin rosette headpiece. It's a perfect accessory to elevate your style for special occasions. Let's dive right in. To start, cut out two pieces of 5.5-inch diameter felt or woodin. I cut out this using a circle paper template. Now draw a spiral on it, beginning half an inch from the edge. This spiral will be the foundation of our beautiful rosette. Carefully draw out the spiral using either your tailor's chalk or a colored pen. With a measuring tape, measure the length of the spiral. In my case, it measured 45 inches, which means our satin fabric should be double that length. So, cut out a 4-inch wide strip of satin fabric that's 90 inches long. Before we continue, if you're new to my channel, I'm glad to have you here. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when we load new videos. Fold the satin fabric in half lengthwise and sew the two loose edges together using a simple running stitch. This will form a long continuous loop of fabric. After that is done, apply a generous amount of fabric glue on the felt spiral. Now you will need to measure the fabric again to be sure it measures 45 inches. If it doesn't, you want to pull the fabric and free it up so it will be longer, then measure the exact amount. Lay the satin fabric loop along the drawn spiral and ensure it adheres smoothly, creating a beautiful flowing pattern. Take your time with this step for a flawless finish. Next, we will be creating the base for securing the headpiece in your hair. Take a second piece of 5.5-inch felt or woodin, fold it in half and make a slit cut in the center. Grab your Alice band, insert it through the slit and apply glue to secure it in place. Once the glue is dried and firm, add another layer of glue to the top of this piece with the Alice band. Then bring it all together. Place the second piece with the Alice band on top of the first piece with the satin fabric, ensuring a secure and seamless bond. Press down gently to let the glue set. This step not only adds stability to your headpiece but also allows for easy and comfortable wear. To complete our rosette, I initially planned to use a fabric covered button. However, I changed my mind and decided to add a touch of glamour by attaching a chic brooch in the center. Feel free to personalize this step to match your style. And there you have it, a gorgeous satin rosette headpiece that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crafting inspiration, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy crafting.